We'll start over.
Another one.
As a matter of fact, you started off.
Well, good afternoon, people.
Hi.
Welcome to another episode of Shoeflytv, baby. It's your boy Ricky P, aka Osama Bin Coppin.
Shoefly82 T.
T.
Agent 707, as they used to call me back.
Agent 707.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
like that. I don't like that.
Yeah, it wasn't for a good reason either. Yeah.
It wasn't. But he take the name.
Yeah. It was dope. So this is a shoe that's got like no explanation needed, man. You either had a W or you took an L.
Mm-hmm.
So y'all should know what this is. This is the. You mind if I? Because this is his as usual. You know,
Bust him open, man. Bust him
this
open.
is the and super dumb official from Nike.
Mm-hmm.
Like we always like to show you whenever we do get these in from Nike.
I like to keep it
You know what I'm saying?
aesthetic all the way, you know what I'm saying?
The Air Jordan 1 High OG NRG. Now this specific shoe, y'all know this is the no L's one right here.
No else, baby.
One of the retailers that actually released this shoe, when they released it, they actually made everybody walk out with their pairs on and did not let them keep the box. So to make sure that you wouldn't resell them. So it's like, you know, he winning because not only did he get a pair, but he also got to keep his box and everything too.
Mm-hmm.
So like out of pocket. So, I mean, first off, the materials on this thing are, boy,
supremely buttery, bro.
yeah, this is,
supremely buttery.
dude, this is,
Yes.
yeah, the materials on this is A1, man. It really, man, it don't get much better than this as far as, like, material-wise. This is ridiculous as far as materials.
No words, man. No
So,
words.
so it's primarily, you know, you got black with the white toe box, and then you got the white side panel. Of course, you got your black toe on the front, and then the black panel on the back, and then your Jumpman Wings logo is in the white. But then on the back, it's got red on the top part, as well as on the bottom of the shoe. It's red. Now, we're going to go over a few details. Like this one particularly, mine says wear on the tongue, and his says me on the tongue. And then it has crease on mine, and it has
please
on his.
Please.
So, this is kind of nice how it's just flowing.
You know
like,
what I'm saying?
yeah.
I think maybe we should switch. Crease, please crease. Oh, please crease. For sure.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Yeah,
so in other words, I should go first then.
So,
Not no more.
on the side, we got not for sale. It's not for sale on yours too. Not for resale.
For resale.
Not for resale. That's on yours too.
Yours says not for sale?
No, mine says not for resale.
Okay, yes.
But then also on the back, his has no, and mine has photos. So no photos. And then
Don't forget about the inside.
a subtle. I was about to say on the inside, mine says general release. What about yours?
Mine says, sorry, this pair is not numbered.
Wow.
Yes.
This don't seem like no general release though, because this show wasn't like released to the masses. Like, what are these going for right now on
About
StockX?
$650, boy.
For a size 9, which this is a size 9, $650.
$650, baby.
So the whole premise of this shoe is a big ass troll. Jordan is trolling us with this shoe.
Yeah.
Like, it's ridiculous. He is really, really, really trolling us with this shoe. But overall, I have to say that the quality of this thing is immaculate. Like I know you haven't purchased these,
bro.
dude. Like,
this
these,
is the closest thing to a black toe ones I have.
yeah,
bro.
but the material
You know
is
what I'm saying?
shitting on the black
This
toes.
is-
Like this
this is
leather
close
that's
as I was
on
gonna
here,
get.
especially, oh man, this toe box and this back
Yes,
panel right
yes.
here,
It
and
is
plus just
special
the photos and the no on the back stitched in,
Right,
and
bro,
all the
stitched.
little subtle details like the general release on the inside,
see
the
that?
crease on the front. Oh.
Yes.
Wow. So his says no on the inside of his, and mine says L's for the no L's. These got some dope ass little subtle details.
L's.
Man, we just wanted to come through and get y'all a quick look since the Shoefly fan, we was able to get our hands on a pair of these bad boys right here. Does it constitute a resale value of what it's like going for right now? No, of course not. But the quality on this sneaker is A1. If you did happen to get your hands on a pair, I know you're not sorry because the quality on this thing is ridiculous. It is up there. We're not going to say the same old dreaded SBB thing that everyone wants to say all the time. Just know that the quality on this pair is really, really, really nice.
Worth it. Well worth it.
Well worth
the
it.
purchase, especially for 160. Can't beat it.
Yeah, at all with a baseball bat, man. Like that. So this was just a quick look at this. You know what I'm saying? Next time I'm in the club, please no photos. What was that on? But I know if I'm going to say stunt T, all these girls only going to want one thing. So you know what that came from?
I didn't take an L on these shoes, but I'm taking an L on that
No. Run the, we gonna run this town tonight. Remember Kanye's verse.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
But,
Riri.
yeah, man. Another episode of Shoeflytv. This is your boy T.
Your boy Ricky P, baby.
And we out. Thank you.
Deuce.